Hello everybody, today I'm pleased to present you this beautiful, brand new, professional black decorated Bella Vista diatonic button accordion in the key of Mi and Fa. Professional for norteño music. On the treble side we have 34 keys, 6 register switches, 3 register switches for the key of Fa, F, B flat, E flat. The other 3 register switches for the key of Mi, E, A, D. On the bass side we have 12 buttons. There are no reeds and all the buttons act like air buttons. And now I'm gonna play you some pieces to demonstrate the sound.